What's up, creators? It's Matt with MyDesigns here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Vision AI from MyDesigns to optimize my Etsy listings. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is navigate to mydesigns.io and create an account if you do not have one. If you do have an account, that's great. Just go ahead and log in and then follow along. Once you're logged in, it should take you to the dashboard page. We're going to navigate to the listings tab here. You'll see that it pulled up a collection that I'm already in. If you don't know how to create a collection, all you need to do is click the home button next to listings and then click add folder. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. As you can see, I have a few designs here, 7 to be exact, that I'm going to use to show you guys how to create these optimized listings with Vision AI. I am also going to just upload a few more designs that we're going to use, and this is to show you guys how to do that. So in order to upload a design, you just go to the top right corner here and click this upload button, and then upload files. Now you can either drag and drop them here, or you can just click that button and go search them on your local PC. I'm just going to drag and drop 3 of them that I have open on another monitor, and then I'm going to click upload all and upload designs. Now this should take just a second, you'll see, and then we'll have those additional designs added to our collection. And so we'll apply the Vision AI that we're about to use to those 3 designs as well. So now that we have the designs that we want to work with, all we really need to do is make sure that we select all of these designs before we run Vision AI. So I'm going to go ahead and select them all. Now you can see there's a blue check mark by them, and it also shows at the top that there's 10 out of 10 selected. The next step is to go to Vision AI, which you can find here on this eye icon, or you can go to quick actions and find it here as well. I'm just going to go ahead and click this Vision AI. Now I'll run you through what this means. So the input file slot is the file that we're giving to the system basically. It's going to be this main file, and what Vision AI is doing is it's going to scan that file, that image, and then it's going to create an optimized listing for you. And you'll see how that works a little bit more. The next step after we select our input file slot, which is just going to be main file, that's the only one we have any images saved to. And then we're going to go to select product type. For this example, we will just leave it set to t-shirts, but you can change it here if you'd like to. The platform we're going to be using today is Etsy. If you would like to change that, we do have Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon merch available. Those are in beta though. The model is going to be selected on our newest one, which is recommended that you use. Obviously, it's the most updated one. It should give you the best results. Now this is just basically telling the Vision AI that we want it to generate our title, our description, and our tag. So we really don't need to change anything there. If you for some reason don't want it to generate one of these, let's say maybe you already have some tags that you want, you can just click don't generate this field, and you can do that for all of these if you prefer to. Now we can add product features, which I'm going to do to show you exactly what this does. And then I'm just going to search for the Bella 3001, which is also a t-shirt. If you remember right, it's going to optimize this data based on us selling a t-shirt. So I'm going to select the Bella 3001, and then there's custom instructions as well. I don't really feel like we need to use them here. I do feel like you get better results if you do use custom instructions though. It's just these images that we're using are pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I need to give it any more details. We've got t-shirts here in Bella 3001, and I think that's enough. And then the last thing here is just the writing mode, which we can overwrite, or we can append or prepend if we want to put it at the front or the back of, let's say we already had a few things in our title, then we could put it at the front or the back of that. We're going to leave that set to overwrite though, and then all we have to do now is click this generate listing data, and yes, run Vision AI. Now this will take just a second, and I'll show you what the results look like. And just like that, it's already done. It took about 7 seconds to complete all 10 of these listings. So I'm going to go ahead and just scroll through these so that you can see all of the data for every one of these 10 designs is done, our listing data. So basically these are ready to be published to Etsy with a few mock-ups added. That's how easy it is to optimize your listings. And I will give you a few more examples as well, and we'll also run through this. So this design says always take the scenic route. And then you'll see the title here says Scenic Route T-shirts, Mountain Adventure Tee, Hiking Lover Gift, Nature Explorer Apparel, Travel Inspiration Clothing. So that's got some really good keywords in there. One thing I have noticed just immediately out the gate is it didn't use all the available characters, which is something we can put in custom instructions, and then it usually does a better job. It did get pretty close, and what I like to tell people usually is that Vision AI will get you about 80 to 90% of the way there, but we always recommend you go through it, double check everything, maybe change out a few keywords or add a few that you would like to use that you've done research on. But it does a really good job of getting you most of that work done. So now you'll also see the description. I'll just read through one of these. We're obviously not going to go through them all. It says, embrace the spirit of adventure with our Always Take the Scenic Route t-shirts, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and anyone who loves to explore the beauty of nature. This design features majestic mountains and an arrow sign, making it an ideal gift for travel lovers. So that is fantastic for a description, in my opinion. And then this is the part as well. Right here at the very bottom, you'll see product features for the Bella 3001. That is going to generate for you if you select that option to generate the product features, and it will generate those for whatever product you selected and you're selling. Now if we go over to tags here, you'll see Scenic Route shirt, Mountain Adventure, Hiking Tee gift, Nature Explorer, Travel shirt. There's lots of, I'm not going to go through them all, but as you can see, it's done a pretty good job. The only thing that I would do different than what the AI has done is I wouldn't put shirt. If you can see, it's put it a bunch of different times. T-shirt's great, shirts is good, shirt is even good, but not multiple times. You only really need it in there once. So that's what I mean by about 80 to 90% of the way there. If you were really selling this product, you would want to probably change a few of those to try and hit a few more keywords. But we'll come down and check out a few of these other designs as well that are a little bit different. So you'll see this design says Aloha Palms t-shirt, retro Hawaiian graphic tee, beach vacation shirt, summer t-shirt, tropical island vibes, and palm tree shirt. So that's great. I think that is a really, really good title. There's not much else I would have changed there. It's hit a lot of keywords, and I think that's absolutely fantastic. We'll just scroll down through here a little bit so you can see a little bit more of just a few different options. You'll see that it's done a really good job though of analyzing these. Even this one says dad, man, pilot, legend, and you'll see there it's got all of that in the title right at the very start, which is amazing. So that is how easy it is to use Vision AI to optimize your listings. You can also do this for digital products and all sorts of other print-on-demand products as well. Like I said, this example was just for a t-shirt, but you can do it just as easy for any of the other products that I've mentioned or that you're trying to sell. So I would highly recommend checking it out. But that covers everything for this video. So if you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you have any questions, drop a comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.